a little excited. So we've been working on this green car for a while. I don't know. I probably have some video footage of it somewhere, but this green Bugeye came to us for a bunch of drivetrain upgrades and troubleshooting. Ultimately, the guy had some Willwood big brake kit on his car in the front and the back, and ultimately Willwood doesn't make a big brake kit for like an STI. So that Bugeye got a STI trans, rear diff, knuckles, drive shaft shop, 1200 horsepower axles, the carbon drive shaft from drive shaft shop. Yeah, so ultimately I said, hey, like, do you want to just buy another set of brakes, or do you want to keep the Willwoods? He said he wanted to keep the Willwood theme, which is great. We love Willwood stuff. And ultimately, this is where we've kind of gone with the progression of things. So this is the original bracket that holds on the rear stuff. You can see how wide the mountings are all the way out here. They're basically in line with where the studs are almost, right? So Willwood does sell a bracket for an '06 WRX. So the bolt pattern here is correct for an STI. But and these mounts as well are the same. So location wise, like everything on paper, and I didn't have technical drawings, so I had to just buy it and try it. But unfortunately, this did not fit, mostly because of clearance issues with that. But of course, going to that, we had to change to a different hat, which I can show you in a minute. But ultimately, we've gone through a whole bunch of 3D prints. So this was our first one, which was just wrong. We just had the measurements up here wrong. This one, the guys next door tried to do. Then we were kind of the same thing. So Noah did this one, which is exactly this one. So these are basically the same. Then we started modifying, chopping things down. I really hacked the hell out of this one. And then, we basically, I think right there and then right there was where we figured out that we needed to go to a different rotor size. So we actually went up in rotor ring size. And then we kind of were just fine tuning. And now, now we have some shiny metal stuff. So I get to try this today. So super excited. See if this is actually going to do the thing or not. We'll see. So I'm at home sitting here editing video this morning, and of course I realized I didn't really do a wrap-up video of these custom brake brackets on this WRX. But yeah, we basically got it in metal and put it on the car. Everything fit exactly the way we wanted it. And I was able to button it up, put it back together, and here's some pictures of sort of how it came out. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. It's pouring outside. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.